Hello, this is Brandon Christopher King. Let's shift focus. Let's move from the cosmic to the microscopic. Zoom in, past your skin, past your blood, down into the living world beneath your awareness. What do we find? Cells. Biology calls them the building blocks of life, tiny machines with parts, nuclei, membranes, mitochondria. But let's be honest, machines don't adapt from the inside out. Machines don't learn. They don't heal. They don't sense or choose. But your cells do. So what if cells aren't machines at all? What if a cell is a vortex? A stable swirl of intelligent flow. RLFlow sees the cell not as a bag of chemicals, but as a coherent flow form. A living river system, maintaining form through dynamic motion. Molecules don't just bounce around randomly inside. They move through metabolic streams, guided paths of transformation. Organelles don't sit still. They pulse, drift, realign, riding the internal currents of the cell. And the membrane? It's not a wall. It's not a filter. It's the conscious edge of the river. In RLFlow, the membrane is sacred because it's where inner and outer flows meet. It senses, it selects, it responds, it adapts. This is not just protection, it's participation, it's relationship. Intentionality begins here, not in the nucleus, but in the living boundary where self meets world. Your cells don't just survive, they decide. They don't react blindly. They tune themselves to the surrounding flow. They are alive because the flow within them is alive. Let's ask the deeper questions. How does a white blood cell know how to chase a pathogen? How does a neuron know when to fire? How do stem cells know what to become? RLFlow's answer? Resonance. Cells are not controlled like machines. They are attuned like instruments. Their form and function arise from their relationship to the flow of the body, the mind, and the world. This is cellular intelligence as flow intelligence. And what about DNA? We'll go deeper into this in stage 3, but here's a preview. DNA is not the commander. It's the riverbed, the grooves that shape how the water moves, the template that guides energy. The flow comes first. The instruction rides the current. Life doesn't obey DNA. Life moves through it. Why does this matter? Because it reframes biology. Your body isn't a machine. It's a choir of intelligent vortices. Each cell singing, sensing, adapting, contributing to the larger harmony. Healing? It's not mechanical repair. It's flow restoration. Adaptation? Not reprogramming, realignment. Growth? Not instruction. Intensification of coherence. This connects biology with mind, emotion, and even spirit, because they're all part of the same flow system. So I'll leave you with this. What if your cells aren't passive? What if your body isn't mechanical? What if you are made not of parts, but of patterns, not of structure, but of intelligent, living current? Because in RLFlow, a cell isn't just part of life. A cell is life, flowing, sensing, and evolving from the inside out. Thank you.